Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is casting on using a knit cast on. Casting on is the process of putting stitches onto our needle so we can begin knitting. It can also be used to add stitches once we've already begun knitting. The knit cast on is a beginner-friendly cast on method. To do this, you'll want knitting needles, yarn, and scissors. To determine the size of knitting needles you'll need, look at the label on your skein of yarn. It will suggest needle sizes and the size swatch you should be able to knit with that size needle. Here I'm using 5.5mm needles. To cast on, begin by making a slip knot. Leave a tail of about 4 to 6 inches before you make your slip knot. Make a loop, and then put the yarn through the loop, making another loop. Put that loop on your needle and pull tight. Now you're going to use your second needle to knit a stitch, but instead of transferring the yarn to the second needle, you'll put it back on the first. Slide the second needle through the yarn on the first from the bottom, making an X with the second needle in the back. Now loop your yarn over the second needle from behind. Point the tip of the second needle down and put it back through the yarn on the first needle, back the way it came, but now it has the loop of yarn on it. That's your stitch. Now point that second needle down and back so you can scoop that stitch onto the first needle. Repeat this process until you've cast on the number of stitches you need for your project. You can now knit from this side. Here are 3 swatches that I started with 3 different casting on techniques. The first swatch is the loop or single cast on, which is a less sturdy edge. The second swatch is the one started with a knit cast on, and the final swatch was started with a long tail cast on, which gives the strongest edge of the 3. There are 2-minute technique videos for all 3 casting on methods. Knitting is such a wonderful skill to have. I'm just a beginner, but I've already made sweaters, hats, Christmas stockings, and pillows and Christmas balls like you see here. The first step is getting the yarn onto the needle. Happy crafting!